Welcome to Building 1, Penthouse 2 in Harbour Isle Drive East. Beautiful kitchen with stainless appliances. Big farm sink they put in here, which is a great additional feature. This unit is fully applianced, fully furnished. You'll see everything here, the bistro table with this fantastic view out here to the water. It was raining a few minutes ago and now it's cleared up and the boats were already back out there. So again, it's fully furnished. Dining room table. And we'll go into the guest suite right off the kitchen here. It has a large bedroom. I think it's 13 by 13. Very spacious. TV stays, bed stay. Big closets, tall ceilings here. This is 10 feet throughout the whole building. 2,000 square feet. And again, these are these great blinds that shut and open. And here we have two sections on this one. There we go, and there's the top. Pretty excellent. These are all in both bedrooms, and the sliders have those blinds. And the bathroom. This bathroom's wonderful. It has a bidet type water system on it. And this, honestly, this bathtub and shower looks like it's never been used. So that's fantastic. So big mirror, lots of cabinets, and the vanity. There's our closet. Again, it's like 9. This section is, I think, 9 feet. And as you go out here, you'll see the ceiling's a little taller. So, and then it's 10 feet throughout this area. We're gonna go right across here. We're gonna the pass through in the kitchen, awesome. So you can have your view out the back at all times. Laundry room, again, with all these tall cabinets. Appliances stay. And the 8x8 flex room. As you see here, they have storage. I just heard recently the best name for it. What is it? A leave me alone cave. So you come back here and have your quiet time. Or people use it, they put beds in here, offices. You can put your stand-up paddleboard against this long wall. It lends itself to so many uses, it's just amazing. So dining room, living room. Again, the furniture stays. This great leather couch, holy cow. And you can see it has the little buttons, so it has the reclining feature. And this rock and roller recliner stays, the desk stays, the bar over here stays, the curio cabinet. I'm not sure if everything in it stays, but so here's the Florida room, sunroom. Sunrise is out this window in the beautiful pond below where lots of turtles come here, I've noticed. And you can open it, and these shut really dark. So this room gets really dark. If you want to keep the sun out and have privacy, then you can roll it in here. Oh, we got some open up top. There we go. Rolls right back there. So we can open it up and have a look outside. And again, these are hurricane windows. The building's 24 25 years old. It was built in 25, nope, it's 20 years old. So, no turtles today, right now. Water's high here. Had a lot of rain lately, but there's the pool and our brand new tennis and pickleball courts. I think this one's set up for pickleball right now. You see the extra net, which is kind of cool. The moon rises above that clubhouse. And our clubhouse is getting new flooring as we speak. So that's gonna be amazing for the new buyer to enjoy. And it's all paid for by the community, so. And in here we have brand new AC put in January 3rd this year. The hot water heater there, it says its installation date is 11/2/21, so that's 4 years old. So those are fine, perfectly fine. And this is a storage area, probably 9 by 4. It's good to have. And again, the bar stays. This other leather couch fits the wall perfectly. Sweet. And now into the premier bedroom. And again, a great view out there. When you're high like this on the penthouse, the top floor, the view, the colors of these skies is just amazing all the time. What a great view. Beautiful water. Okay, so again, all the furniture stays. King size bed, extra chair here. 2 dressers. And the master, we have two good sized closets here, walk-in closets. So here's one. And the other. Both have the mirrors. There you go. And in here we have split vanities. Soaking tub, very comfortable soaking tub. All right, again, high ceilings, nice and bright. And your shower. And a separate area here. All right. So there you go, and the hall out. So you can shut that door from the bedroom. And that's fantastic. So let's go take a walk back through, look at the furniture. Wow. Nice. The bedroom, we just passed the bedroom and the kitchen. We're out. Outside, you're allowed to have 2 tables, a table and 2 chairs here. They need to be white, kind of like that. And you can leave them out here on the east side all 24/7. So that's nice. And here we have a view of the open waterway here. Today's a little cloudy, rainy out there, it looks like actually, but not here yet. And the parking spot for this unit is where the black car is there. So it's right close to the entrance. And right over here houses the trash. So you go down the elevator, and there you go. What a beautifully kept and managed community. Beautiful views down this side of the catwalk too. Just so tropical. And the catwalk. Very nice. Come visit.